Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to link debit card to PayPal on PC. PayPal is a widely used digital payment service that allows people to send, receive and manage money online securely. It is commonly used for the online shopping, subscriptions, freelancing payments and international transaction. One of the easiest ways to use PayPal is by linking a debit card which lets you pay directly from your bank card without sharing your financial details with every website. And over here, first open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down paypal.com and enter it, and make sure you've already logged into your account. And over here on the top we can find this wallet icon here, or you can simply go beside this link a card. Over here what you can do is you need to enter your debit card details, and PayPal will ask you to provide your card information, expiration date, your CVV, card type, CVV security code, the 3-digit number on the back of the card, and your expiration date as well. And over here you can also select your billing address and make sure the billing address matches the one registered with your bank. And after that you can select to this link card here. In some cases PayPal may charge a small temporary account amount to your card to verify it. This charge is usually refunded after confirmation. And after entering all the required details, click link card. And once the process is complete, your debit card will appear on the wallet section of your PayPal account. You can now use the card to pay for your online purchases. And linking debit card to PayPal on a PC is a quick process that only takes a few minutes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.